This is section 7.4, cross-section. Our objective today is to describe cross-sections that result from slicing three-dimensional figures. So a cross-section is the two-dimensional shape that you see after slicing through a three-dimensional object if you look at it straight at that slice. So if I cut an apple right down the middle and look straight at that slice, this picture shows what I would see. If I slice through a tree trunk and I look straight onto that slice, I'll see that circle shape. So let's look. Okay, some examples. For the first one, we have a cone, and we're slicing that cone horizontally right through the middle. So if I slice that and then look at it straight on, I'm going to see a circle. That circle will not be the same size as the base, but it will be a circle. For the second one, if I take this cylinder and slice it horizontally through the middle here, I'm again going to see a circle. This leads us to one of the rules. If I slice a shape parallel to its base, the cross-section will be the same shape as the base. Maybe not the same size, but the same shape. All right, let's look at this one. We take our cone and we slice vertically. Now we're going to see something like this. We're going to see a triangle. And if I take my cylinder and slice it vertically down the middle, I'm going to end up with a rectangle. All right, now we get into some trickier ones. If I slice this cube at an angle like this, notice that I will have a side on the top, a side on the side, and then along the back here. It's going to be a triangle. If I take my rectangular prism and I slice vertically down the middle, I'm going to end up with a rectangle as my cross section. Now, if I take this cube and I slice it twice, so I'm going to slice it vertically and then I'm going to take that and I'm going to slice it horizontally. Whether I look from the first slice or the second, I'm going to end up with a square. And if I take this rectangular prism and I slice horizontally through the middle, I'm going to get, again, a square or a rectangle depending on if that base was a perfect square or not. So try this one on your own. Describe the cross-section through each hexagonal pyramid. All right, the first one, our slice is right here, parallel to my base. That will be a hexagon. And our second one, we slice it right up and down through that vertex. We are going to get a triangle. Here's your assignment.